Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Business Profile for local SEO step by step clearly. To enable your Google Business Profile for local SEO, start by navigating to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button. Sign in with your Google account associated with your business. If you don't have a profile yet, click on Add Your Business. Enter your business name. Choose the appropriate business category that best describes your services. Fill in your business address accurately. If you operate online, select the option to I deliver goods and services to my customers. Specify the areas you serve if applicable. Next, enter your business phone number and website URL. Review all entered information carefully for accuracy. Click Finish to proceed with creating your profile. Verify your business via the method of your choice, commonly through mail, phone, or email. Once verified, log back into your Google Business Profile account. Customize your profile by adding business hours, a description, and photos. Utilize the Posts feature to share updates, offers, or events. Encourage customers to leave reviews to boost your credibility. Respond to customer questions and messages promptly. Keep your information up to date to ensure visibility in local searches. Monitor insights and performance metrics to understand how customers are interacting with your profile. Use this data to adjust your strategy and improve your local SEO effectiveness. Regularly review and analyze your profile for continuous improvement. Following these steps will enhance your online presence and help you reach more local customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.